how popular the man.
Alright, welcome to part 2 of my lace frontal series. Today we're just gonna be learning how to construct a 360-degree frontal wig. And I ain't even gonna lie, it was kind of tough, but we made it through. So, if you wanna see that, keep watching. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the little bell button so you can be notified whenever I post a video. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Alright, what's up, y'all? I honestly feel like I haven't did this in so long. Like, it really felt long. I kind of missed y'all. But real quick, I'm just showing you everything you'll need. And here I put my frontal on, and then I cut a big chunk of it off so that it could be perfect to my head size, and I wouldn't need the adjustable straps or anything. Then I'm just gonna plop the frontal on, and I'm gonna sew it like what is it called? The bed method or the tuck method? I don't know, something about the bed, but basically I just put the needle in, and you know how when you thread it there's 2 strings. For some of them I was putting the needle through the strings, and for some of them I was wrapping the string around the needle like twice just to lock it. But yeah, I was debating on posting this video on Thanksgiving, just like in spirit of Thanksgiving, but then I kind of changed my mind because I just want to keep it Tuesdays. But I might post like a Thanksgiving get ready with me or something. I don't really know yet. I might post something. There's gonna be something, so stay tuned for that. Right here I'm just braiding it to get it out the way. Like, I don't know why people find this so difficult. Making a wig is like super easy. So if you know how to sew, I feel like you can pull it off. Sewing ain't that hard. So yeah, I'm just continuing to braid, getting the hair out of the way. Come on, be quick. Taking kind of long. I'm sorry, I'm like clearing my throat all in the video. Excuse my kitchen. But yes, I did cut my tracks, and I'm just measuring it out. And I'm going to use my T-pin to hold it in place. And you see what I did there? That's the part I was talking about, where I put the needle through, and then I wrap the string around twice to create a knot, just to make sure that everything is real secure and it doesn't come out, because I ain't trying to make a whole wig and it fall apart and be mad. So yeah, really self-explanatory. Just keep doing that. Yep, cutting, sewing. It's not really that difficult. Y'all been watching vloggers all day, and I honestly want to change my content up, but it seemed like they life be so fun, and I don't really do nothing in my average life, so I don't really know how that'll work. I think after this series I might try to be a vlogger. Since I only post once a week, I'm pretty sure I could find something fun to do. Like, it'll consist of my whole week, so it should be something fun. But what am I doing? After I got halfway done, I skipped to the top because I wanted the top to be like real neat. I didn't want to have to cut little pieces of tracks to fill it in, so I skipped to the top. And I put the top track on, and I sewed it down, and then I came back and I filled in the middle just so the top could be real flat, and the transition from the frontal to the tracks could be seamless. Yep, doing the same little sewing. Put the needle through, wrap the string around like 2 or 3 times, pull the needle, creates a knot, real secure. Yeah. Pretty basic. Well, basic to me. I don't really know how you all are with sewing, but yeah, so just tuck that out of the way and go ahead and fill in the middle part. So for this part, instead of putting the tracks in a U shape, like going curvy, I tried to do them as straight as possible, just so when I get to the top I won't have to cut little bitty pieces, because it's real important that it's flat. Even though, I probably not wear it in a ponytail, but I might just for y'all. just so y'all could see. But in my everyday life, probably not, because I really don't do anything that requires a ponytail. Honestly, half the time I'm in my bonnet, so yeah. And I don't really go to the gym or anything. I used to, but I don't know, that gym life ain't for me. So yeah, once again, wrap the string twice, pull, you know, same old. If y'all hear Angel in the background, I'm so sorry. Y'all should know by now, for some reason she just like disrupting my videos. She always on a barking spree whenever I'm recording. So if y'all hear her, I'm sorry, because she like right outside of my window. But yeah, here I'm just showing you all that I'm done. I'm running my hands through it and stuff. I think I'm gonna put it in a ponytail, like just to show y'all that it's like real flat. There's no like bumps or anything. So yeah, as you can see, well, I don't know if y'all call that flat, but I call that flat. So yeah, then you're just gonna take it and cut the cap from underneath. But you have to be real careful with this, y'all. Do not cut your thread. If you cut the thread, the whole thing gonna fall apart. So cut it close enough, but not too close to where you about to unravel your thread. And as y'all can see, my scissors a little bootleg, but we just gonna pretend that my scissors are right. So, and here I'm just showing y'all how much track I have left, about an arm length. Just in case you don't remember, I did have a frontal and 2 bundles, a 360-degree frontal and 2 bundles. So that was how much I had left. Now I'm just showing y'all that it doesn't, I don't know what I'm showing y'all, honestly. I'm just showing y'all something. And here I'm just putting it on. As you can see, no glue. Is not like, I don't know, it's just fitting perfect to my head. It's not really moving or anything, because I tried the frontal on and I cut all the extra and sewed it so that it could be perfect for my head. So I just wanted y'all to see that. I believe I'm gonna like tug on it. Yeah, see, it's like barely going anywhere. Real hard to move, which I like, because it got to be glued. I don't know, that's I don't like it. It's too messy. So I'm just gonna go in and ignorantly start pulling hair out, because I just wanted it to look a little more natural, just a little bit. So I just started pulling the hair out, because tweezing kind of takes too long. But don't do this. I don't advise y'all do this, because you could easily rip your lace. Do not follow me, y'all. Take your tweezers. So real quick, I just want to thank y'all, because I was complaining about having 40 subscribers a few weeks ago, and now we're almost at 300. So shout out to the beauty gang. But the video is over, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. I really do appreciate it.